I had the biggest year ever of my music career, and I owe it all to the Artist Academy training and the amazing revelation that is Street Team.
I went from $400 a month to $7,000 a month.
Investing in Modern Musician is probably one of the top decisions of my entire life. It's right up there with marrying my wife.
I was putting in so much work and effort into growing my fan base and spending so much of my time with nothing really to show for. It was very discouraging for a while, and it wasn't fun, like having the couch surf. Thankfully though, I was able to figure this out early enough while I was training under Modern Musician.
This experience has been so amazing to me that I'm having a hard time putting into words just how amazing it's been. It's literally changed my life. It's worth every single penny I've put into it. I see other musicians in this community and I completely relate to their stories and their dreams. For a guy like me who at one point in his life was severely hopeless, to wake up every day feeling a lot of hope about something I'm so passionate about is a gift.
That changed everything for me. That changed my fundamental core of how I relate and communicate with other people. In the next few months, I'll become a six-figure modern musician. Going forward another year, I'm looking to achieve another 10x and make my first million.
We started working with the team and they started showing us how to take our success that we had already had, then convert our fans, not just from being casual listeners to being super fans, and find a way for us to connect with them outside of the YouTube, Spotify, Instagram restrictions.
I was that starving artist. Before Modern Musician, I was sleeping on couches with friends. I was walking dogs. I was doing valet. I was doing Instacart, doing anything that I could to figure out a way to pursue my music full time. Like many artists, I felt like I had a huge dream on the inside of me, but when I looked around, I was very, very discouraged by my environment. And now I am a full-time artist and content creator. And it's just a beautiful thing to experience, because sometimes as artists, I think we look for everyone else to allow us to sit at their table, and I love Modern Musician because it teaches you how to build your own table.
Before finding Modern Musician, my career as a comic and a musician was in this weird holding pattern. I was working hard, I was doing lots of shows, and nothing was coming of it, and I didn't really know what I should be doing to improve it faster. But now I wake up every morning to dozens of people in my messages telling me how much they love my work. They come out to shows, they're excited to see me. I've added about 2,500 people to my email list, with a couple hundred more joining every month.
We've done over 100 million streams now between Pandora and Spotify. The email list has grown to 25,000. We surpassed 7 figures just right over the Thanksgiving break.
I felt like I was struggling still to get my music out there to people in a way that was growing my fan base, and I was kind of panicking because I was like, how am I gonna keep making money? That's when I discovered Modern Musician, and I decided to give it a go, and through their amazing guidance, one-on-one help through all of the things, since I started working with Modern Musician, I am not panicking anymore.
I was really struggling to gain any traction with building a fan base or having a music career. I was about ready to give up, really. Decided to go for it. And man, that has been the best decision I have ever made in my life. When I started, I had like 34 email addresses. Now here I am about a year into the program. My email list is 6,500 people and growing. And here I am living my dream as a musician. It's so great.
We have only implemented the system for 8 months, and we grew our fan club from like 40 people to 3,200. That's an 8,000% growth. I mean, we sold over 100 merch bundles. We got the 7,000 emails and phone numbers. But I think that the real treasure, like personally, was like this avalanche of positive messages sharing how my music made a difference.
And probably the biggest benefit overall, I'd say, is the benefit it's been for my family. I'm home more, I'm exercising more, I'm less stressed than I was as a high school principal. And my wife says I'm happier, so it's really benefited our relationship. Dad's home every day. I'm spending more time with my kids, which is huge. And my family is just really enjoying that.
I was able to run ads and actually feel the fulfillment of being able to connect with my audience through retaining people and really getting to show people who I am. If I was talking to myself before I invested in my musician, I'd be like, go do it now. It's gonna help a lot. Like, it's gonna help, it's gonna change your life, do it.
It's the best system that I've seen out there, which embodies everything from text to email to workflows to chatbots to AI. It's pretty incredible. Getting them into your world, obtaining their contact information, owning that information, and then being able to serve them however you'd like. Yes, I'm just super grateful to Modern Musician. The technologies are crazy. The street team is unbelievable. The coaches are really great.
We really wouldn't have been able to survive without the program and the support of the coaches. We've increased our revenue by $80,000, trusting myself, investing in myself, investing in my career, taking mindset seriously, which then makes me take my mental health and music seriously. Believe in yourself, trust the process. Don't be afraid to delegate things to other people. Don't ever forget that you are the business. Only you can save yourself.
The tools and the training that are on offer at Modern Musician are unmatched. So if you're willing to work hard enough to make a ton of new music, they will help take you to the mountain. I could not recommend them more highly, especially Street Team. Oh, what a revelation that software is.
It's been the best thing I've ever done for my music career. And beyond that, one of the best things I've done for my life.